Alright, pimps, it's me, Jimmy Bean, back at it again with another epic unboxing. It's me, your boy, at it with the most advanced technology you've ever seen. Dang, look at this second camera. Oh wait, it's over there. Second camera, lavalier microphone, headphones for literally no reason. So if you haven't heard, I treated myself this Black Friday. I got me some, I don't know which camera to look at, so I'm kind of looking in the middle at neither. That's the least useful option. I treated myself this Black Friday, and I got myself a new streaming laptop, which I'm exceptionally excited about. So we're gonna take a peek. I haven't touched it yet. I bought myself this gaming laptop from MSI and a 27-inch monitor, because I'm a big boy, I need a big boy screen. They also sent me this little guy, which I'll open up first. It's the least exciting thing, but it's still kind of neat. I'm looking again in the middle. So they sent me this. Newegg is where I ordered this from. Newegg, if you're listening, thank you, sponsor me. So they sent me a cool little bonus free gift of like an internal solid state drive that's like 256. Yeah, 240 gigabytes. I'll show it to this camera. So that's kind of neat. It was a free little gift that got sent along with these two things, because I ordered them at once and they say, hey, you get a free gift, a little free solid state drive. So I was like, can't beat that. So that was neat. That's a neat little thing. The least exciting thing here though, let's get to the meat of the meal. So this I'm excited about. I've never had a secondary monitor. I've only ever had two laptops set up. I should have brought a knife. And I'm exceptionally excited to only have to rely on one laptop for streaming. Also, I'd like to point out, I'm doing this on the bed because it's where there is the most space in my entire apartment. There's literally nowhere else in my apartment that has this much space available. And nothing but great things happen in this bed, as we've seen. So we got your classic HDMIs. Here's a little audio, little cable. All right, let's get to the juicy stuff, the power cord. This is the instruction manual, which I will ignore. Here is what I'm assuming is the base of the stand, or a really heavy square Frisbee. I'm fine with either. Stand's looking neat, as y'all can see. It's a square. It's actually a rectangle, which I appreciate. I like rectangles. And here comes the big boy. Wow, this thing is actually massive. I guess I wasn't expecting 27 inches to actually be 27 inches. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this at the moment. Like, I'm just having it here. Let's hope there's no damage to the thing, because that would make me cry. Oh, that's neat. It's like a swivel thing. The stand here, it can like spin. I like things that can spin. That's one of my favorite abilities for any object to have, is the ability to spin. That's neat. You could have it like a long boy or a wide boy. That's the best way I could have described that. All right, is she broken? Oh heck no, she ain't broken. Oh, you looking mad thick, girl. ASUS monitor, ASUS VP278QGL gaming monitor. I'll slap it on the stand and try not to break it in the process. You sit there, Mr. Box, and oh my God, all right, I'm gonna figure you out later. But for now, that's your temporary home. Look at that. That's big, that's lovely. But look at this, you could tilt in various directions, you could raise and lower it. Oh, you can obviously do the up and down. That's nifty. This is my coolest guy. There's all the cables for it, and it could sit up there. Now to the juicy stuff. I mean, that was pretty juicy, I'm not gonna lie. The juice of that one was squirting everywhere, it was so juicy. Yeah, I didn't go crazy with the specs of this laptop, but I went, it's pretty decent. I went pretty decent with it, let go of me. But yeah, I didn't go crazy with the specs, but I didn't chump out either. I got a pretty decent, I would say like maybe mid-range. I don't know, I'm not too familiar with gaming laptops. I forget exactly the model, the make and model, but Look at this, true, I love this. True gaming, true. The gaming is true, y'all. I've never seen gaming this true. All the gaming I've done before has been false. So there's the inside of the box. Looking rather juicy so far. All right, styrofoam. I love you and all, but I'm gonna need you to bounce. And you know your boy went with that 17-inch display. I like my displays big. The streaming laptop I have now that I currently use is a 17-incher. Ooh, this is nice. A little fabric case keeping it in. All right, let's unveil this thing to the camera. Is it right side up? Maybe. Oh, oh. Oh, look, oh, the sheen on that baby. The sheen on it. I'm trying to get the sheen on the camera. Where's the sheen at? There it is. Oh, 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 oh. Ooh, this thing be looking fly. I wish there was some info so I could tell y'all exactly what kind of model I got. It's like a Leopard or something. It's got like a processor and some RAM. We got the power cord, very handy. We got the power brick, very thick. I like that. And that's all we need. Nice. All right, so we've got the lovely boy right here. Here we go. A Leopard. Leopard. Is it on here? Maybe mayhaps. A GL75 Leopard. That's what it is. A GL75 Leopard. Look at the bottom of this thing. The bottom of this thing looks like it's cyberpunk as heck. Ooh, it's even got a little cloth thing atop of the screen. It looks pretty fly. I might get some B-roll footage later. I might not. Depends on how I'm feeling. But where's the sheen? There it is. Trying to get it in the light so you can kind of see. I guess I'll turn it on for the first time on camera. At least get that action going. Or maybe it's dead. I don't know. Do they send it dead? Yo, they sent me a dead laptop. How you turn it on? Am I breaking it? Is there something I need to pull off to activate the go button? Maybe it does just need to charge. Hold up, let me get the manual. Okay, so it says to connect the AC power. So I'm assuming they send you a dead laptop. When the AC power is connected, press the power button to turn the notebook on. All right, so yeah, that's okay. That's not the worst thing in the world. I've accepted that as my fate currently, but I like this little thing. I'm gonna keep this probably and use it to carry it around. The little sleeve it came in. That's kind of nifty right there actually. But yeah, this has been a little unboxing. I hope it was enjoyable at least. I mean, I just kind of figured I would do this to make some kind of content out of it. The amount of money I spent on it, I need to be making content out of it. Everybody, thank you for watching. My God, you're a swell pal. Hope you guys enjoyed. It was a fun little adventure into the world of opening things. And yeah, be expecting some live streams from your little, ooh, that spiciness right there. Take care. I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.